Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite, and today I will show you how easily remove the tempered glass from the display and the smartphone. And we are not going to use any additional accessories, we are going to use our fingers. And let's start from one of the edge. For example, we can start from the bottom. So we have to put our fingernail underneath glass. Let's make it like that. Right now we have to lift that glass a little bit, put second finger here, and then move for next edge. And as you can see right now, we can easily lift that tempered glass. Let's go like that on the both edges, and there it is. We successfully removed that glass from the display. We can put it back, and as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now we can clean your display with wipe or paper towel. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.